Powers of products and quotients. Let us try to evaluate this expression. Let us write this 8 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 4 3 times, because it's the overall power is 3, so we'll write it 3 times. Now this is equal to 8 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 2 divided by 4 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 4. That is equal to 8 to the power 6, because in multiplication the powers are added. 6 and divide by 4 to the power 4, 8, 12. So the answer is option A. Select the equivalent expression. Now here the numerator should be 2 to the power 20 and denominator should be x to the power 2 into 4, that is 8. 2 to the power 20 on top, 5 into 4, x to the power 8, 2 into 4 in the numerator. We'll check. Select two expressions that are equivalent to z to the power 8. Let us see. Let's evaluate all the expressions and then see what we get. This is equal to z to the power 12 minus 10, that is z to the power 2 whole thing to the power 3, that is z to the power 6. 2 into 3, 6. This one is inside the bracket, it will be z to the power 4 into to the power 2. That will be equal to z to the power 8. C is equal to z to the power 6 plus 2. That will be z to the power 8. D will be z to the power 16 minus 2. That is z to the power 14. E, we can't see it. We'll evaluate. So B and C are the correct answers. We'll look at E also. This will be z to the power 10. E will be z to the power 10. So B and C are correct answer. Select the equivalent expression. X to the power 4 into y to the power 4 to the power 3 will be x to the power 12, 4 into 3, 12, into y to the power 12. A is not the answer, B is not the answer, C is the correct answer. D is not the answer.